Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites and getting hands-on immediately. Install Docker or the native LM Studio server package now, because the service depends on container runtime. Make sure port 8080 is open and 443 for HTTPS. Pull or place model files in the configured storage path and verify checksums so you avoid corrupted models. Once done, create the server config file with your model reference and resource limits. This sets how much CPU, and now configure runtime and launch the service. Edit the config to set model path, worker count, and GPU or CPU affinity. This controls latency and throughput. Start the server with Docker Compose upd or enable the systemd unit, then watch logs to confirm model loading. If you see repeated OOMs, reduce worker count. Once the server is running, set up a reverse proxy for TLS and enable API key authentication, so only authorized clients can connect. Finish by validating the deployment with sample requests. Check latency and token limits to confirm expected behavior. If throughput is low, tune worker count and batch size, and enable quantization or mixed precision if your model supports it. Make sure metrics and health endpoints are monitored. If something breaks, inspect server and proxy logs, ensure disk space and GPU drivers are healthy, and restart the service after config changes. This simple step often resolves transient issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.